Climb inside the 2017 Ford Escape. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, rear wipers, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.